Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to design this component. It seems it's difficult to design, but it's actually not. Let me show you how it's done. First, go to create sketch and assign some plane and view. And now we're going to begin with circle. So go to circles and I'm going to draw a circle of 88 mm diameter, which is this circle right here. And now I need to draw another two circle, which is 108 mm diameter and 72 mm diameter. So draw another circle with 108 mm diameter and also another circle which has to be 72 mm diameter. And now on this circle we need to draw a circle with diameter 8 mm. So just do it, draw a circle with diameter 8 mm. And now I'm going to remove this part, which is not necessary because we have drawn this circle with 8 mm. So go to trim option and remove this circle. And now we need the same 8 mm diameter, but it has to be 6 quantities. So go to create and you could see circular pattern. You need to select this 8 mm circular object and center point as the 72 mm big circle. And for quantity we need 6, so just enter 6 and give OK. Now we have got this 6 circles which has 8 mm diameter. Now go to solid, extrude, select this plane and we need to extrude it to distance of 16 mm. You could see it's front view. Okay, now we need to draw another circle on this plane. You could see it's a line here. Just go to top view and go to create sketch and select this plane. In this plane we are going to draw another two circle which has, we already know this circle has diameter 100 mm, and also another circle with diameter 48 mm, which is a hollow region. And now we are going to extrude it again. So click this plane, solid, extrude, and now we need to extrude it to distance of 24 mm. Okay, and at the bottom we also need to extrude it to the distance of 16 plus 32, which is 48. And finally we got a shape like this. We got geometry like this. Now we need to cut this part. It has radius 6 mm and this part has radius 8 mm. So we are going to cut it. Go to create sketch and select this plane. Now we are going to work on this plane. Go to circle and here I'm going to draw a circle with diameter 12 mm. And now go to line and just draw as shown. We need only this part as, this is the important part here. Others are unnecessary. That's, we don't need to consider those parts. So If you wish, you can trim it. And now go to line, and we need to draw one axis line. I'm going to draw this on y-axis. And now go to solid, and we need to cut it, but it's not actually normal extrusion cut method. It should be, we need to use other kind of cut, which is revolve. In this cut, we are going to cut it to angle of 360 degree. So first click this plane as cut profile, and axis is automatically allotted, so you don't need to bother about that, and just do OK. Now you could see it is removed as it's in 3D view. This part is removed to the angle of 360 degree, and it has the edge portion has radius 6 mm. We also need to do the same for the part at the bottom. So go to sketch and select this plane and give a circle. Now it should be 16 mm. So give 16 mm and line. You need to draw a line like this and trim. Go to solid again, revolve, and we are going to click this, and axis is automatically allotted. Do OK. Now we have removed this part to the angle of 360 degree, and also this part with the radius 8 mm, and we removed it to 360 degree using revolve extrusion method. Now we need to remove these two parts, which is seen like this in the third view, 3-dimensional view. Now we are going to extrude this part right here using the same revolve extrude method. So first go to create sketch and select this plane. Now just zoom into the top right corner of this component, and we need to cut it. We need to draw a line which has to be 45 mm right here, and just draw some closed boundary. Now we are going to cut it. Similarly, we need to draw another line on the bottom, which also has to be 45 mm. Okay. Now we are going to revolve, and we are going to extrude it. Oops, I forgot to draw a line. Connect these two lines. And click these two portions and axis. And just give OK. Now you could see the final product is obtained. That's all about this video, guys. Now you could see it's same as the 3-dimensional view of this object. If you wish to ask any questions, you can comment below, and just don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like it. Thank you, guys.